Hey everyone, Nick with Draftbit here. In this walkthrough today, I'm going to show you how to set up a post request to submit data to an Airtable database. The docs that I'm going to be referencing today are available at docs.draftbit.com. Scroll to the bottom where you find REST API integrations, and I'm going to select Airtable. So the first thing I need to do to get my Airtable connected to Draftbit is to set up the service and endpoints. To do that, I add a new REST API to my app. I've already got this set up, so I'm going to show you what mine looks like. Give it a name, enter in the base URL, and you need to add the global variable for authorization to your app. Global variables are added to my app in the app settings menu, global variables tab, and you can see that I've already done this ahead of time. Once I have my REST API connection to my Airtable base set up, I save that, and then I need to configure a new post request. The first thing you do when you set up a new post request is name it and choose the post method. To get the structure for my JSON body, I need to go to my Airtable backend, open up the help menu, go to API documentation, and go to create records. So I'm going to copy and paste this JSON structure from Airtable directly into my body structure tab, clean it up a little bit, and then change these test variables to Draftbit variables. Once I have all these variables named in Draftbit, I go to the body tab and I can configure some test values and test the API response. If this worked, you should get a 200 OK response. And then if I go into my Airtable base, I can see that the data was submitted properly. Save this. Ahead of time, I already went ahead and mapped the field names in my screen to the field names in my Airtable for name, roast, type, and rating. And so the final thing that I need to do is configure the submit action on my button. To do that, I go over here, on tap, submit data, submit to my coffee Airtable, rate new coffee, that's the name of my post request that I've just created, and then I simply map the field names to the component field names. Once this is all done, I can test it. To test it, I'm going to enter over into preview mode directly in the Draftbit browser, and we'll call this Nick's New Coffee, and there it is. Hope this helps you get your first post request to Airtable set up in Draftbit. If you have any questions, please reach out to us at help@draftbit.com or come visit us at the Draftbit community, community.draftbit.com, and ask us a new question. Bye now.